now I'd like to invite our last case for today. Case number 4, presented to you by Edmundas Balcikonis, founder at Eddy Travel. Edmundas is also a co-founder and CEO at Eddy Travels, an AI-powered travel assistant which helps travel organizations increase online conversions and reduce support. Visit Dubai, Lithuanian airports, and Visit Kaunas are among Eddy Travels customers. They raised 1.1 million euros from Techstars, Practica Capital, Open Circle Capital, and angel investors. Previously, Edmundas was a co-founder and CEO of TrackDuck, a B2B SaaS startup acquired by Envision App in 2017. With a round of your applause, let's invite on the stage Edmundas Balcikonis with the 4th case, AI in travel.
Hello everyone, my name is Edmundas. I'm co-founder and CEO of Eddy Travels, and today I'm going to tell you how we help travel organizations automate their sales and reduce support costs with examples from Visit Dubai, Lithuanian national airports, and our customers. I know what you're thinking, travel is not in the best place right now because of COVID pandemic. What you have to keep in mind that travel is already starting to recover, and before the pandemic, travel was amounting to 10% of global GDP. It's just a matter of time and travel will recover. It will take some time, but it will get there. And we're gonna see again people traveling all around the world, increasing our economies, and bringing joy and happiness to everyone who is having vacation or has to go on a business trip. Travel recovery has already started. We can see it in different markets like United States, where air travel has already reached pre-pandemic levels. And even Lithuania, the Lithuanian airports recently announced that our air traffic has reached 60% of what we had in 2019. So we're getting there and we're on a good track, and soon hopefully we're all going to be able to freely travel again. Of course, travel is not going to be the same. We're all now looking for contactless technologies, digital distribution in travel, and a new means and ways to communicate with travel companies. Let's take, for example, Visit Dubai. Visit Dubai emerged from a pandemic very successfully. They were one of the first countries in the world to start mass vaccination, and they're leading since for a year now in the top 5 among the percentage of people who have been vaccinated. So they had to push back one of their largest events, Expo 2020, a world exposition of all the countries when they get together in one place once a year. And now it's happening finally in Dubai, and they're receiving millions of travelers and visitors. But if you go to Visit Dubai website, or if you would go, for example, to their Facebook page, and you would ask for something, you would ask what are the COVID travel limitations, or what kind of vaccination certificate can I use when I'm traveling to Dubai, you might not get an answer, or it will take some time. Well, this is where we come in with Eddy Travels, and we're already helping Visit Dubai to automate their user and visitor engagement and answer questions in real time with real-time information, prices of travel offers, and also all the important information about the COVID travel limitations. So if you would go to landing pages like Summer in Dubai, you would already see there a custom chat application, which we built, which can be integrated into any website, mobile application, or our standalone chatbot can be integrated into any third-party chat application like Facebook Messenger or Instagram. And you can click on Start Planning and start the conversation and get answers in real time from our AI assistant. So here you can see in the presentation a user coming to the chat and typing that he's traveling from London, looking for flights, entering the dates, and getting results for flight offers in seconds. This is just one of the examples what you can do with Eddy Travels. You can enter long and complex sentences, anything related to travel or what we have created specifically for Visit Dubai. The AI assistant can answer over 3,000 questions about points of interest and things to do in Dubai. All you have to do is type or use the visual UI, buttons and cards, and go through it. This is possible because we have created our own custom natural language processing setup for travel industry. We have collected immense amounts of data of how people ask for flights, how people ask for accommodation, hotels, apartments, tours, activities, you name it. And now we're white labeling this technology and providing it to our partners. Besides the NLP angle, we're also creating a new distribution network. So every time a user types something for the AI assistant, we process this information. We process their sentence of our natural language processing. We send this query to our partners like Booking.com, Kiwi, and others. We get the results, and then we show the right results to the user with our machine learning for personalization. So this way, we're creating a new generation travel distribution network through Eddy Travel's AI assistant on our partner and customer pages, apps, and social media profiles. So now, we just recently launched that anyone can go to partner.eddytravels.com and create their own custom AI assistant and install it into their blog or website or Facebook page. All you have to do is just enter your email, and you're gonna get to the page where you can customize all the small details and UI elements of an AI assistant, and you can put it in your website. So, besides Visit Dubai, we already also work with Lithuanian airports. Vilnius, Kaunas, and Palanga airports have our AI assistant enabled on the landing pages where they're showing the latest information about returning flights to the airports. So, you can check the important COVID travel information, and then get the flight, do the flight search in real time, and get real-time results and offers. We're also working with Visit Kaunas, and there's this lovely cat as a Visit Kaunas AI assistant, where you can go and ask everything you might want when you're visiting Kaunas. We have over 3,000 people checking it out right now a day. And we're also really looking forward to next year. Then Kaunas will be the capital culture of Europe. And we're also going to be providing our assistant to help people find the right culture events and plan their trip to Kaunas for the culture of year. You can also do it on Facebook Messenger. Kaunas travel assistant is already enabled on its Kaunastic Facebook page. Please type it in your Facebook, check it out, and go visit Kaunas. It's a lovely city. Besides Kaunas, we work with over 120 other partners. One of our the great partners is from Qatar. It's a leading concierge platform in the Middle East called Ebutler. They have installed our AI assistant straight into their mobile application on iOS and Android. And now people in Doha, in Qatar, or Dubai can easily search for flights and find the best travel deals where they could go, and escape the heat in Doha or Dubai. So all of this is made possible by our amazing team. We're all based in Lithuania. We currently work remotely, but if you're interested to chat about AI, about travel, please visit our booth in the online platform. My colleagues should be there ready to answer your questions. Thank you very much, and looking forward to speaking with you someday and meeting in person and traveling again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Edmundas. Thank you so much for your presentation. And who are the better people to speak about the challenges and solving the problems than the actual founders that work with the solutions?